Let's talk about crypto. Not the hype, not the moon memes, but the real stuff that actually matters, especially if you're new to crypto and want to stay safe, smart, and intentional. Chapter 1. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use encryption and blockchain technology to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional money, they are decentralized, which means they're not controlled by any bank, government, or corporation. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. Others like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano offer unique functions like smart contracts and DeFi ecosystems. But here's the thing, crypto is more than just coins. It's a movement, a new kind of internet, one that is built on transparency, code, and personal responsibility. Chapter 2. How does blockchain work? Imagine a shared digital ledger that records every transaction publicly and chronologically. That's the blockchain. Each transaction becomes a block of data, and these blocks are linked together in an unchangeable chain. Once a transaction is verified by a decentralized network of computers, called nodes, it is permanently added to the blockchain. It can't be edited, reversed, or deleted. This makes blockchain highly secure and transparent, but it also means that if you make a mistake, like sending coins to the wrong address, there's no way to undo it. Chapter 3. Why you need a wallet? A crypto wallet is a digital tool that stores your private keys, the codes that allow you to access and control your crypto. Think of it as your crypto bank account. There are two main types. Hot wallets, connected to the internet, e.g. browser extensions, mobile apps. Cold wallets, completely offline, e.g. hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. If you're just starting out and experimenting with small amounts, a reputable hot wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet is fine. But for serious storage and long-term holdings, use a cold wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. If your crypto is on an exchange, the exchange technically owns it. Chapter 4. How to buy crypto safely. To buy crypto, you'll typically need to 1. Sign up for a regulated exchange, e.g. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. 2. Verify your identity, KYC. 3. Add a payment method, bank, card, PayPal. 4. Buy crypto and transfer it to your wallet, optional but recommended. Always enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, and avoid using public Wi-Fi when logging into your exchange account. Pro tip, start small. Learn by doing. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Chapter 5. Hot wallet versus cold wallet. Hot wallet pros: convenient and fast, easy for daily transactions and DeFi use. Hot wallet cons: vulnerable to hacks and phishing. Cold wallet pros: immune to online attacks, ideal for long-term storage. Cold wallet cons: less convenient, costs money to buy. The best setup? Use both hot and cold wallets. Keep a small amount in your hot wallet for quick use and store your main holdings in cold storage. Chapter 6. Biggest risks in crypto. Phishing attacks, fake emails or sites that steal your keys. Scam tokens and rug pulls, especially on decentralized platforms. Losing your seed phrase, without it, your wallet is gone forever. Exchanges getting hacked or going bankrupt. To stay safe, bookmark official sites, triple check wallet addresses, never share your seed phrase, store backups offline and encrypted. Chapter 7, Beginner Mistakes to Avoid. Chasing hype without doing research. Trading emotionally. Overusing leverage. Keeping everything on exchanges. Forgetting about taxes. Yes, crypto gains are taxable. Start slow. Learn. And adjust. The space is evolving fast, but your discipline matters more than speed. Chapter 8, Security Rules for Long-Term Users. Use hardware wallets for significant amounts. Enable passphrases and PIN codes. Use multisig for large holdings. Use a password manager. Update your software regularly. This isn't paranoia. It's personal risk management. Crypto gives you full control, but also full responsibility. Chapter 9, Tools and Platforms Worth Exploring. CoinMarketCap CoinGecko for research. EtherScan SolScan for blockchain transparency. Ledger Trezor for cold storage. MetaMask Trust Wallet, hot wallets. Notion Obsidian for journaling your learning process. Chapter 10, Final Thoughts. Crypto isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building digital independence. It rewards those who are curious, cautious, and committed. So take your time. Learn the tools. Protect your keys. Think long-term. And most of all, stay smart. This is NextMindset. And if you're still here, you're already ahead of 90%. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.